Discover cozy farmhouse garden ideas. Embrace nature's countryside charm in rustic style. Imagine stepping into a world where time seems to stretch luxuriously, where each moment is savored as the fresh countryside air fills your lungs and the vibrant, blooming gardens surround you in a cocoon of peace and relaxation. This is the essence of a rustic farmhouse garden haven that captures nature's charm and embodies the cozy simplicity of country living. It's a place where garden lovers find their sanctuary, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, where the gentle rustle of leaves and the sweet song of birds are the only interruptions to your thoughts. Every corner of this enchanting garden is thoughtfully designed to offer a retreat from the world outside. Wander along a wildflower-lined pathway, where pops of color from daisies, poppies, and cornflowers emerge from lush greenery, creating a living tapestry that enchants the eyes and lifts the spirits. These pathways invite exploration, meandering through different garden areas, each with its own unique allure and character. Imagine the joy of discovering new blooms with each change of season, where nature's palette shifts and evolves in a delightful dance. In another corner, the charm of a traditional vegetable garden awaits, a testament to the joys of sustainable living. Raised wooden beds overflow with an abundance of fresh produced juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and aromatic herbs nurtured by your own hands. The satisfaction of harvesting your own food, of engaging in the simple yet profound act of growing and sustaining life, is unmatched and deeply fulfilling. This garden becomes a living pantry, where the farm-to-table experience begins with a short walk outdoors. Imagine, too, a cozy outdoor nook designed for relaxation and contemplation, nestled under the shade of a grand old oak or by a gently babbling brook. Here, comfortable chairs invite you to settle in with a good book, or perhaps just your thoughts, as the world continues its dance around you. A small wooden table holds a cool drink, condensation glistening in the dappled sunlight, while nearby wind chimes add a melodic whisper to the air. This rustic farmhouse garden, with its delightful blend of nature's bounty and human creativity, offers more than just aesthetic pleasure. It is an invitation to slow down, to breathe, and to reconnect with the natural rhythms of life. Whether you're a passionate gardener, a lover of nature, or simply someone seeking a place of solace, this garden provides the perfect backdrop for finding peace and inspiration. Through this idyllic escape, you can embrace the countryside's timeless appeal and bring your own version of rustic charm to life.